Lady bosses, listen up. So I've been struggling for a bit to find a very consistent morning routine that gives me like the nutrition I need, the food I need when I'm on the go. So I'm so excited to talk to y'all about LadyBoss LEAN. It has been an incredible solution to my morning routine, and we're gonna get right into it, okay? So I just woke up and I just need something really quick to leave because I have to run a few errands. So I need something that is nutritional, it's protein that I need, and it's just easy to put together. And the most important part obviously is delicious. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've been making. So today I'm gonna make the Frappe LEAN Shake with the LadyBoss LEAN. And all you need is 3 ingredients. You need, of course, LadyBoss LEAN, and then you're gonna need 4 ounces of almond milk and 4 ounces of already made coffee. You know, the future is female. Let's go, ladies. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So we're gonna combine 4 ounces of this, and I'm gonna blend it in the shake. So I'm gonna use one of my blenders. So I'm putting in the coffee. I'm going to combine 4 ounces of milk. So let's go ahead and measure this out. That looks about right. They say you can use ice cubes. Sometimes my blender doesn't really pick it up, so as long as your milk is cold, you can add it. So next I'm gonna add, usually it's like 1 scoop if you have like the regular jars, but these are like on the go, fast, quick packets, and all you need is just the packet itself to pour in here. Get it all in there. Hope you guys are enjoying your days. Okay, so now that I have all those ingredients set up, that is simple, it's easy. I'm gonna go ahead and run this over to the blender real quick. Okay, so we just blended, and now I'm going to finish off by pouring it into my Naomi cup here so I can keep it nice and cold. And I am ready to take this on the go. And push this down, and I add my straw. Every time it hits, like, and this is just easy to take on the go. It will give me all of the supplements that I need. I'm really excited to continue to integrate this in my morning routine, and shout out to LadyBoss. Definitely needed.